There was this daddy long-legged spider who spun his lyrics between the trees. And she was the fly girl who didn't see the web. And this is the story. Ha! Love rain, rain down. I said, what you say? I say love, love rain down. I said, what you say? I say love, love rain down. I say, what you say? Brand new and live from Jill Scott, making the ghetto feel hot. Let's see what you say, I let him know.
Met him on a Thursday, sunny afternoon, cumulus clouds, 84 degrees, he was brown. Said he wanted to talk about my mission, listen to my past lives. Word took me on long walks to places where butterflies rest easy. Talked about Moses and Mumia, reparations, blue colors, memories of shut times. Oh yeah, yeah, he was fresh, like summer peaches, sweet on my mind like block parties and penny candy. Love rain down.
I say what you say, I say love, I love rain down. I say what you say, I say love, I love rain down. I say what you say, I say love, I love rain down. I say what you say,
The rain was falling slowly and sweetly, and stringing my eyes, and I could not see that he became my voodoo priest, and I his faithful concubine. Wide open, wide the mistake was made.
You know I got you.
Love slipped from my lips, dripped down my chin, and landed in his lap, and us became brand new.
New Jill Scott, everybody, come on.
Love
rain down. I say what you say, I say love, I love rain down. I say what you say, I say love, I love rain down. I say what you say, I say love, I love rain. I said it's coming, said it's coming, yo. It was dusk, you were rocking black musk, swung your cherry stop low and made the clock wind slow. Grabbed my hips, curled a kiss across my lips like a whisper. Blue Train title track playing on the system. Listen, it's John C. You hummed the melody in pitch and on key. You was my quiet storm water sign. Pushed me to the borderline. Loved and rumbled all the time. Kept my senses on the grind. Sweeter than some foreign wine. The original raw, brand and sweet like a cinnamon straw. You was my hardest distraction, my farthest distraction, my deepest inspiration, my heat, my frustration. What you difficult for? You wasn't riffing before. I want that old thing back, baby. Give me some more. When clouds huddle in the sky and tears flood up in your eyes, just hold on to the moment, love. Even now that it's over, love. Remember how he was so in love, how deep he was overcome. Just remember the moment, love. Don't get vexed and blow me up. So on to the moment, love. Remember how we was so in love. Remember how we was overcome. So on to the moment, love. I'ma do what I got to do. At night I still get high for you. Got a lot that I got for you. Just remember the moment, love. Remember how it was so in love. Shouldn't that just be enough? Shouldn't that just be enough? Shouldn't that just be enough?
You broke me, but
you got the rock with that. You got the rock with that. Jill Scott, non-stop with that. Said, you got the rock with that. Make your shoulders, necks, back, and rock with that. Said, you got the rock with that. Get up and do the diddy bop for that. Said, you got the rock with that. Let it get up in your shoulders and bop with that. Said, you got the rock with that. Get up in your neck and bounce to that. Ha ha. Jill Scott and Mos Def. So fresh. So yes.